Are you still cleaning your ears the old way? It's time to upgrade to something smarter. Introducing the Xylla Otoscope Ear Cleaner, a modern device equipped with a powerful 1920p HD camera that lets you see exactly what you're doing inside your ear. With its ultra-thin 3.5mm probe and built-in LED lights, you get a clear, real-time view directly on your smartphone. This makes ear cleaning safer, easier, and more accurate. The soft silicone tips ensure a comfortable experience without causing irritation or damage. Plus, it's waterproof and easy to clean, making it perfect for regular use. Whether you're using it for yourself, your family, or even pets, this device gives you full control and confidence while cleaning. If you want a safer and more advanced way to maintain ear hygiene, check the link in the description and get yours today.